The Aam Aadmi Party is possibly just a day away from a big split. Tomorrow, the party's National Executive Council will meet to decide the future of founder members Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav. Live pictures coming in from a press conference. Let's listen in.
और वो ऐतिहासिक है ये पूरी घटना। तो ये जो एक परिस्थिति बनी दिल्ली में, हमारी यही कामना होगी कि इस जज्बे को बनाए रखें और अब 5 साल इनको काम करना है और काम कर रहे हैं। तो मेरी पूरी शुभकामना और हम लोगों की तरफ से नहीं उन सब विषयों पर कोई चर्चा नहीं हुई है। इतनी बात हुई है कि इनकी जीत से दिल्ली के लोगों का ही नहीं और पूरे देश के लोगों ने इसको अच्छा महसूस किया।
सर, इस लंच का क्या कोई राजनीतिक जायका भी है?
लंच स्वादिष्ट था। मेरी पूरी शुभकामना है और दिल्ली को पूर्ण राज्य का दर्जा मिलना चाहिए और इस अभियान में हम लोगों का पूरा सहयोग रहेगा।
बाहर चलते हैं।
Well, this was Nitish Kumar, Bihar Chief Minister, shortly after meeting Aam Aadmi Party Chief and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Lots of speculation about this meeting. Nitish Kumar has also met Sonia Gandhi. This meeting is being seen from many different angles. We're going to get your perspective on that in just a bit. But let's listen in to the real sound bites of the day so far on the big political developments within the Aam Aadmi Party. Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan, whose career within the party could be finished in a matter of hours. Here's what they said a short while ago. I want to go across now to headlines today is Ankit Tyagi, who's been reporting on this story, getting you all the very latest developments first and exclusive here on Headlines Today on a political drama literally like no other. Ankit, we've heard both sides. We've heard all the details, the allegations, the counter allegations, the virtually 24/7 tutu mehme that's going on within the Aam Aadmi Party, both in person, through letters, on social media, I'm sure through WhatsApp messages and SMS also. But I want to ask you a question since you're on the front line of reporting this, Ankit. How soon, Ankit, before both these leaders are out of the party or a solution is going to be found? Simple answer.
Shiv, I can tell you with certainty that both Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav's political career in a party, in the Aam Aadmi Party led by Arvind Kejriwal, is virtually over. It's just a formality now. Whether a new party is formed, a breakaway faction of the Aam Aadmi Party led by Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav is formed, that is something we will have to wait and see. Shiv, very quickly, I have Professor Anand Kumar. He was also a member of the team that had just done the press conference. Let me go across to him. Sir, serious allegations have been levelled not only on the party and especially the members around Arvind Kejriwal, but on Arvind Kejriwal himself. Prashant Bhushan had come out and said that he's an autocrat, he doesn't believe in a party. He said that he has never worked in an organization in which his voice has not reigned supreme. So now, is it impossible for you to work with Arvind Kejriwal?
See, Yogendra, Prashant and Arvind ji have been friends for many years. Prashant and Yogendra have been campaigners for right to information long back. They know each other very well. And I do not want to come between two friends. Tu kaun main kham kha.
No, but you have been a part of the group that has done this press conference. Serious allegations were leveled. You yourself on your Facebook account said that there is a sting operation that we are going to release that is going to change the course of this entire discussion.
It is not
what is that sting operation, sir, and why wasn't it released?
Operation. It is a tape of a conversation which was presented to me because it involved me also. And I felt very shocked.
Why wasn't it released, sir?
It was not released because it will damage the relations further. We have to separate our individual egos from our collective duty.
Did that audio tape had Arvind Kejriwal saying something that could have damaged the party further?
No, let's hold it there. Let's hold it there. When I have to bury my relations with Aam Aadmi Party, only that will be the day when I'll expose it.
Is there anything left now, sir?
Well, there is a whole lot future waiting for us. Country is waiting for us. They want us to behave properly as disciplined volunteers of a democratic movement for alternative politics. And we better do that.
But you are saying that the day you want to completely bury your relations with the Aam Aadmi Party, that's the day when you will release this audio tape. So you are still saying that you have enough material to damage Arvind Kejriwal?
No, you said Aam Aadmi Party, then Arvind Kejriwal. You are very quick in connecting wrong things wrong way. No. I said that when I want to bury my relations with some individuals who are there in that conversation, only that day I must expose it. And I hope that day will never...
Can you confirm to me whether Arvind Kejriwal is in that conversation or not?
Let's not go that far.
Also, sir, there are a certain list of demands that Mr. Bhushan has made about how the National Council should be conducted tomorrow. There is complete breakdown of the communication, but has there been a complete breakdown of the trust also? It seems that the ground is being prepared that if there's something goes wrong and you are preparing for that to go wrong in anticipation, then probably this is something that you will be using later.
First of all, nothing is going to go wrong. We have been working together for the last 2.5 years. It's not a charter of demands, it's just a polite reminder about the procedures which have been developed in last 2.5 years. Every meeting has been videographed right from 26 November 2012, which was the foundation day.
So the last meeting was not
only, last meeting there was an omission. And we said we better remind. A lot of work is there with our office secretariat. So a polite letter doesn't harm it. It only helps. Precaution is better than cure.
No, but in the provision also there is no provision for the Lokpal to come in and monitor the meeting. So why is there an extra demand? Has there been absolutely no trust in the person who will be chairing the meeting?
No. It's only a minor matter where the idea has been brought forward, but it may not be necessary.
So you guys are not even speaking to each other. Press conferences are being done. Press conferences are being done to relay your fears. And now in that condition, do you believe that either there is going to be a split in the party, or Mr. Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan are going to be chucked out of the party? Is that a possibility?
We are a very talkative people. We are Dharna party. We are Andolan party. We are Nara Lagao party. We are talking to each other, and if you are not able to talk just now, I can't talk to anybody because I'm talking to you. SMS can't miss me. I have to respond, I have to engage. It's a very interactive group.
Mr. Bhushan and Mr. Yadav very clearly used the word liar for the people, those who came out, senior leaders of the party, those who came out and addressed the media yesterday, saying that they have been propagating lies against them. They asked for proofs on the allegations that the party was making. Are you saying that Arvind Kejriwal, and Mr. Bhushan also said that all this is being done on behest of Arvind Kejriwal? The resignation has been asked on behest of Arvind Kejriwal. Are you saying Arvind Kejriwal is propagating his party leaders to lie just because he wants to settle score with you?
No, you just misconnected again. You made a preface about Shri Prashant Bhushan. Then you asked me.
But that is exactly what he said. It's all on record.
All this requires Prashant ji to be engaged. You have to ask Prashant ji.
But you were also on that, or you were also the part, you were also in the group that had addressed the press conference. So I am saying, do you differ from Prashant Bhushan on this then?
I am Anand Kumar, who has different level of engagement with Shri Arvind Kejriwal and Prashant Bhushan.
So you differ with Mr. Prashant Bhushan with what he has said?
I have no idea about that.
So you were there, it was just said, all of us heard that.
No, the background.
You were sitting there.
No, the background. Why Prashant ji has reached that conclusion is to be asked only Prashant ji, not me.
You do not concur with his points?
I have no idea why he has concluded like this. I have to take my own time. I have to make my own judgment, right?
Do you still believe that there is a chance, there is a hope?
100%. As long as there is challenge for participatory democracy, making India corruption-free, and need of unity among at least people of the country, not only Arvind, Prashant, Yogen, all such people who are within and outside Aam Aadmi Party have to...
Quick last question, sir. Quick last question. If not, then what?
If not, then we'll do better. This is not the ideal situation. We'll do better. History will not stop.
Does that mean that a new party can be formed?
It's not new party. It's new initiatives.
Thank you so much for speaking to Headlines today. Professor Anand Kumar there, Shiv, and I can tell you for a certain fact, this is the very first time the Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan camp has given an indication if things don't work, a new initiative would be taken. So very clear indication that the situation has come down to such a level that they already are thinking of a separate party, a separate movement or a separate initiative. This is the first that we have got on Headlines today for our viewers.